2025 at Edible Trails Garden wasn't about planting the biggest food forest or the most trees or even getting everything right. It was about learning how to listen. Listen to the land, listen to the plants, and honestly, listen to my own peace. If you've been here with me all year, thank you for walking the trails with me. And if you're new, this episode is a look at what permaculture looks like when you actually live it. In 2025, we started working our way through the permaculture principles, not as theory, but as practice. The word permaculture comes from permanent agriculture, but it's more than just gardening. Some principles clicked right away. Others only made sense after a few mistakes. But let's be honest, that's how gardens like to teach. Permaculture stopped feeling like a checklist and started feeling like a conversation. A lot changed on this land this year. I'm Katrina, and welcome to Edible Trails Garden and the first episode in our Permaculture Principles series. One of the biggest lessons was learning that by doing less, but doing it thoughtfully, actually moved the garden along faster. Integration showed up everywhere this year, not just in my plant choices, but in how the systems overlapped. Plants shading other plants, mulch feeding the soil, soil, and wildlife involvement, whether I wanted them to or not. You just like that Mombasa grass, don't you? Turns out the garden doesn't like to be micromanaged. It wants to collaborate. If there's one thing that I learned in 2025, it's that observation is not passive. Watching where the water flows, noticing which plants volunteer, and paying attention before replanting. That is where the real progress happened. And that mindset led to the Permaculture Trail book, not as a rule book, but as a place to think out loud. You don't need any fancy tools, just a place to notice, question, and reflect. This garden didn't grow alone. From gifted plants to shared ideas, 2025 reminded me that abundance multiplies when it's shared. And honestly, learning alongside you has been the best part of my whole journey. This year isn't about doing more. It's about letting the systems mature, deepening what's already here, and staying curious. Permaculture doesn't promise instant results, it promises questions. Thanks for walking the trail with me in 2025. I'll see you further down the path. Let's grow.